Dear friends, welcome to our Tamineni channel for English grammar. This is Anand. In this video, I talk about the new model paper of the subject of English for 10th students in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The government of Andhra Pradesh brought changes in the system of 10th examinations. In the previous model, there were 11 papers. Each subject had two papers except Hindi. So now each subject has one paper. 3 hours and 15 minutes are allotted for taking the examination, 15 minutes for reading the paper, 3 hours for writing the exam. Okay friends, let's see what changes took place as far as English subject is concerned. So what is the changing mark scheme? All these things we are going to analyze. Students, let's see how the academic standard wise marks division in the new English model paper. There are three sections: section A, section B, section C. Section A is reading comprehension, allotted 30 marks. Section B, grammar and vocabulary, allotted 40 marks. Section C, creative expression, 30 marks. Total 100 marks. Section A, reading comprehension, consisting of 30 marks and 15 questions. 1 to 5 questions from A reading. Each question carries 2 marks. Among 5 questions, 2 are WS questions, 3 are multiple choice questions. 6 to 8 questions from B reading poetry session. 3 questions will be given. Each question carries 2 marks. All 3 are multiple choice questions. 9 to 10 questions again from B reading, this time from prose section. 2 questions will be given. Each question carries 2 marks. All are multiple choice questions. 11 to 15 questions on study skills based on given data. 5 questions will be given. Each question carries 2 marks. Among 5 questions, 2 are WS questions, 3 are multiple choice questions. Section B, grammar and vocabulary, consisting of 40 marks and 17 questions from 16 to 32. All are on grammar and vocabulary. We will discuss them later in detail. See, creative expression, consisting of 30 marks and only 3 questions. 33 question is on discourses. Choice is there. 2 discourses, conversation and diary entry will be given. Students should give answer one of them. This question carries 10 marks. 34 question is also on discourses. This question also has choice. 2 discourses, letter writing and biographical sketch will be given. One of them should be given answer. This question also carries 10 marks. 35 question. It also has choice. 2 questions will be given. One of them is framing WS questions and information transfer. One of them should be given answer by the students. This is the scoring section. 3 questions, 30 marks. In section A, there are 15 questions, 30 marks. In section B, 17 questions, 40 marks. In section C, only 3 questions, but marks are 30. Let's take a model paper for analysis. Look at the instructions. Question paper has 35 questions in 3 sections, A, B and C. A separate answer book will be given to you. You should write all answers in that book only. 15 minutes time is allotted for reading the paper, 3 hours for writing the answers. The 4th instruction is very important. Answer all the questions of section B, grammar and vocabulary, in the same order at one place in your answer book. If you don't maintain the same order and write answers various places, then you will lose marks. Take more care about it. Section A, reading comprehension, consisting of 30 marks. Questions from 1 to 5. A passage will be given from a reading from your textbook and 5 questions will be given. Each question carries 2 marks. Among 5, the first 2 are WS question and the rest of 3 are multiple choice questions. Observe this. 6 to 8 questions are asked from B reading from poetry section. A stanza will be given from a poem. On that, 3 questions will be given. Each question carries 2 marks. All 3 questions are multiple choice questions. 9 to 10 questions are asked from, again, B reading, but this time from prose section. A passage will be given. On that, 2 questions will be given. Each question carries 2 marks. All 2 questions are multiple choice questions. 11 to 15 questions are asked on study skills based on the data. Some data will be given in the form of bar diagrams, charts, tables. Under the data, 5 questions will be asked. Each question carries 2 marks. Among the 5, first 2 are WS questions, rest of 3 are multiple choice questions. The students in these data questions, usually the first question is related to the data about. If you write the heading of the table, it will be answer for the question. For example, observe the first question. What is the data about? So what is the heading? GST rates of some countries are given. So the data is about GST rates about some countries. In these questions, the last question is related to the correct statement. Among 3, you should find out what is the correct statement. So this is easy scoring question. With simple effort, you can get maximum marks out of 10 marks. Section B, grammar and vocabulary, 40 marks. This section starts with 16th question. 16th question is combining sentences using relative clauses like which, who, etc. It carries 2 marks. The 17th one is that voice. Active voice sentence is given and you have to change it into passive voice. It carries 2 marks. 18th one again, combining sentences using linkers like since, as, because, etc. It carries 2 marks. 19th on prepositions. 2 blanks will be given. 3 options will be given. You have to choose the right option to fill the blanks. It carries 2 marks. 20th question is on verb forms. You have to fill those 2 blanks with suitable verb forms. It carries 2 marks. 21 is advice. Use should or should not to answer this question. If you advise someone to do, use should. If you advise someone not to do, use should not. Easy question, you can easily get 2 marks. 22 is a polite request. Use could you, would you, or please as per the situation to answer this question. 2 marks are allotted. 23 question is on language expressions. It has options. It carries 2 marks. 24th one is on synonyms. You have to choose 4 right synonyms from 6 options. It carries 4 marks. 25th question is antonyms. This question is in matching mode. You should choose 4 suitable antonyms from 6 options and match them. It carries 4 marks. 26th one is that right form of the words. 4 blanks will be given. Each blank has 3 options. So the question has 4 marks. 27th one is spelling test. Fill the 2 blanks with suitable vowel clusters like AE, EA, EE, OO, etc. It has 2 marks. 28 question is suffixes. It carries 2 marks. 29th one is a spelling test. You should find out the wrongly spelt word and correct it and write them. It carries 2 marks. 30th question is on a dictionary entry. A word's dictionary entry will be given. Under that, 2 questions will be asked. These 2 questions carry 2 marks. 31 is that arrange words under correct headings. 8 words will be given. You should arrange them under correct headings. It carries 2 marks. 32 question is on one word substitutes. It's in matching mode. You should choose 4 right answers from 6 options and match them. It carries 2 marks. Section C, creative expressions, 30 marks. It's a mark scoring section. 3 questions, 30 marks. 33 question is on discourses. It has choice. The discourses, conversation and diary entry will be given, so you have to write one of them. It has 10 marks. 34 question is again on discourses. Letter writing and biographical sketch will be given. You have to write one of them. It has 10 marks. 35 question also has a choice. Framing W's questions and describing pie diagram information. Both 2 questions are given. You have to write one of them. It carries 10 marks. Important takeaways of new model English paper. No new models are added to this paper. Editing, reported speech, if clause, articles, etc., which were in the previous paper 1 are left out. Unseen passage, jumbled sentences, language expressions, phrasal verbs, idioms, binomials, foreign expressions, which were in the previous second paper are left out. So, dear students, some critical models which are felt by the students difficult are left out. The new model paper somewhat easier than a previous paper. Nothing to worry. The new model is a boon in disguise. Dear students, we hope that you are preparing well for the coming examinations. Prepare hard to get 10 by 10 in each and every paper. So all the best. Please subscribe our channel, Thamineni channel for English grammar. Press like and bell buttons for notifications. Share this video with your friends. Drop comments in the comment box.